Welcome to my channel. I am Moody Chef Sargun and today I'll make potato sticks. For more quick and delicious recipes, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we will boil the potatoes. I usually do some shallow cuts like these. This makes it easier to peel the potatoes. Add the potatoes to a pressure cooker with salt and boil till 3 whistles. Now mash the potatoes and make sure that there are no lumps in it. In the mashed potatoes, we add salt and grated mozzarella cheese. Make a dough while gradually adding some corn flour. Once the dough is smooth and soft, put it in a Ziploc bag and flatten it. Cut the plastic with scissors from both the sides. Open it and cut it into sticks using a knife and keep it aside. Fry it in preheated oil on medium flame until golden brown. Once it is golden brown on both the sides, remove it from the oil and keep it aside. Repeat the process with all the sticks. Once it's done, serve it hot with a dip of your choice. Voila! Potato sticks are ready. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and share with all your friends and family. For more such delicious recipes, keep watching Moody Chef Sargun.